Okay, so here is an even quicker way to get your sticking deadbolt working without having to take anything apart. Just take some brake cleaner like this here and spray it. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Just stick the deadbolt, go ahead and extend the deadbolt out like so, and just take your rag down below to catch the stuff below it if you don't want to get it all over your door or your floor. But just take this and spray it right around the edge of this, then work this back and forth. And this was stuck, hardly moving a minute ago, and now it opens and shuts fine. I do think it would probably be a little better to take it all apart, but if you don't know how or don't want to go to that trouble, this fixed it. I'm going to show you on one other door type here in a second that it also works great on. We have two of these old-fashioned style storm doors with this type of lever handle on it, and like right now it's not wanting to open. I've got to mess with it. Okay, got it open. Okay, well, I hit stop accidentally on my last video, but just wanted to show you how well this is working now. No binding at all, smooth as silk again. You can see in here, I can go down, no problem, up, no problem. Opens right up where it's not doing that before. So there you go.